Hi, I am Bivuti Chakma. Jojo Bekonore. Good morning to everyone. This is my Chakma script. Handwriting to digitization. This is my topic. I am Bivuti Chakma, Chakma font designer and keyboard layout creator. Date of birth 15 June 1980. I am from Bangladesh, Rangamati. This is our Chakma script. It is our handwriting style, and this is our digitization style. This is called Ojapat, Chuchengeha, Gojengeha, etc. This presentation walked through the process of how to advance the Chakma script in modern technology within very short time and slowly implementation over the globe, increasing the user online and connect with the social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and cover the whole Chakma community over the world. Chakma script. The Chakma script, Ojapat, also called Ojapat, is an Abugida used for the Chakma language. History. The Chakma language is an Abugida that belongs to the Brahmic script. Chakma evolved from the Burmese script, which was ultimately derived from Pallava. This script, along with the Chakma language, has been introduced to the non-government school in Bangladesh as well as the school in Mizoram, India. Chakma script is of the Brahmic type. The consonant letter contain an inherent vowels. Usually for Brahmic script, the inherent vowel in Chakma is a long and opposed to the short which is extant in most other languages of India such as Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. Consonant clusters are written with conjunct characters, and a visible vowel killer shows the deletion of the inherent vowel when here is no conjunct. Chakma script is Chakma Ojapat. Script type Abugida. Direction left to right. Languages, Chakma language. Parent system Indo-Arabian shows in the screen. Unicode. Chakma Unicode block. Chakma script was added to the Unicode standard in January 2012 with the release of version 6.1. The Unicode block for Chakma script is U+11100 to U+1114F. This is the Chakma script chart, Unicode block. Chakma script in detail. Chakma Orok. Consonant 34, independent vowel 4, barrier sign 3, dependent vowel sign 14, barrier sign 2, punctuation 4, Chakma digit 10. Barrier sign 3, I want to say in my Chakma language, Chakma sign Chandrabindu, Sanfudo, Akfudo, Difudo, independent vowel 4, Fitfuzu A, Bochi U, Delbange, sorry, Bochiu, Lajubue. Consonant 34, Suchengeha, Gujongeha, Sandega, Tindalega, Silemonga, Didalesa, Mozurasa, Dipodolaza, Uroriza, Siluchenia, Diadatta, Fudadiatta, Adumangata, Lajborada, Fetuana, Gongodatta, Jongodatta. Failefa, Ubor Fedafa, Ubor Muaba, Sedaleba, Bogotpodalama, Simojia, Zileza, Didajera, Tolmuala, Bazonyewa, Budibukesa, Urmua, Fetfadala, Fetkabawa. Defendant vowel sign 14, Ubortulye, Bani die, Bani Fudo die, Ektan, Ditan, Abazede, Delbangi de, Ubortuli, Wabazede, Ubortuli, Wawaze, Fudo de, Delbange, Ubortuli, Wabaze de, Waze Fudo de, Del dia, diya diga dede. Barrier sign 2, this is the Chakma Biram, and this is Chakma Majja. Majja is a vowel killer, and Birama is the using for cluster conjunct letters. Punctuation 4, Chakma section mark, full sinno, Chakma danda, Chakma double danda, and question mark. Chakma digit 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I would like to talk to you about the Chakma script handwriting to digitization and how it advanced to become digital, revived from being endangered, connected with social media, messaging platform, and YouTube. Since I was born, I have found that my script has been very neglected. If the script is lost, then we will disappear one day. This script need to be protected. To protect my script, I made it digital, starting with creating a font. The font name is Ribeng Uni. It now works well in modern technology on computer, internet, and smartphone. Then I had to create a Chakma keyboard layout. It was upgraded with the help of the Keyman team. This keyboard name is Easy Chakma keyboard, and it support iPhone and iPad, Linux, macOS, Android, Windows, mobile, web, and webs. In May 2018, Facebook added our Chakma script. Google Gboard apps added my keyboard layout on Android in September 2019. We added a virtual keyboard, Chakma converter, and some resources for Chakma script. I have published my activities in a book form. This is my second book. Content of the presentation: celebrating indigenous language on Google Earth and listen Chakma voices, developing Chakma keyboard and font for PCs, smartphone, and web, creating Chakma language converter ASCII to Unicode online, Chakma language connect with social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. To digitize, revitalize, promote, and preserve Chakma language from endangered position, working on CLDR project for Chakma code data and number format, spelling out rules in Chakma, developing Chakma language transliteration and transcription system, and reach and gathering Chakma language Wikipedia incubator, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Chakma translated by myself, showing my 3 book, Chakma language developing in technology, recommendation to quickly implementation Chakma language in modern technology over the globe. We need to the following item: tools, equipment, manpower, financial capability, increase user community. This is my picture when I was working for my font and keyboard layout. Before Unicode, this is the Chakma handwriting style. Before Unicode, the Chakma script complex word doesn't support in the MS Word, Microsoft. This handwriting style, this is shows question mark. After Unicode, the word complex word is good rendering in MS Word. This is Pritimi. It's mean by wall. Celebrating indigenous language on Google Earth and listen Chakma voices. In Bangladesh crowded linguistic scene, it was not until 2017 that Chakma became officially recognized at the pre-primary level and taught in school up to the primary level. and more than 500,000 of native speakers learn it at home. Some of Chakma children are now able to learn the Chakma language at school. I'm the part of the grassroots effort to digitize the language and endangered script for use across social media, messaging platform, and YouTube to help young people expand their literacy. I'm proud of my works, especially because it connects the Chakma diaspora across India, Myanmar, the US, and other countries. Here is my location. I'm the Bivuti Chakma Suz Moriz from Bangladesh. Developing Chakma keyboard and font for PCs, smartphone, and web. When we talking in Messenger, this is the Google Gboard on the Android. This is the Chakma keyboard on Keyman, EG Chakma keyboard. This is the converter. Is also the keyboard layout on Android Gboard in Messenger Facebook. Creating Chakma language converter. This is the converter. Old Chakma font data then is convert into the Unicode text. Chakma language connect with social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram. This is my Facebook ID, Bivuti Chakma Jal, Mabaj Hojpana, Hoda Homhoi Hambaz Gorana. This is the mother the language loves and hard working for the language. This is my Twitter's account, Bivuti Chakma. To digitize, revitalize, promote, and preserve Chakma language from endangered position. This is the Facebook Messenger. We write in our language, and this is my LinkedIn account. Working on CLDR project for Chakma core data and number spelling out rule in Chakma. This is the code data in Chakma language and the number spelling out format rule when I was working on George Roten, who is working at Apple's. Developing Chakma language translation and transcription system detail is I'm on the Lianghai. We are updating this Chakma native letter name in the online system. This is our UTN resource. Enrich and Gardening Chakma Language Wikipedia. This is the Wikipedia incubator. Chakma main page. This is our articles, few articles. Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Chakma, translated by me. This is the declaration article. Who helped me? This is Sasha browser, which is from Switzerland. May 3, 2017. Showing my 3 books. This is my first book. This is my second book. Here is in the detail. My book I uploaded in Google Drive, first book and second book. Already published these 2 books. This is my third book, which is not published yet. I need to help in financial position. I have no enough financial capability, so doesn't publish yet. I request whole of the Chakma community and other peoples to help me to publish the book, not in only publish in a book form, I need to publish it digitally. This is the Chakma spellbound we call mantra, my handwriting style. It is our mantra, we use it the ready me for the illness, for medication. My location, resident, I'm from the Rangamati Bundukbanga Union. It's a remote area. This is the Sangits Flutara written by Selya Chakma 1868. This is our Chakma handwriting style. Is it lip and farm lip. Chandobi Baromas, unknown writer. This is the handwriting style. Is the old style. Front Flutara Eto. This is the Sangma handwriting style written by 1966, 67, 1964. Dasa Forani Tara 1964, Sadengri Tara 1950. This is the handwriting style. Gozen Lama written by Devabrote Chakma 1980. This is the handwriting style. Malentra Otosa written by San Angupul Chand 2004. This is the handwriting style. Chakma spellbound written by Motura Chakma. This is the handwriting style. The ancient Chakma spellbound we call it Angs. It is the use for the illness and ready-me of the illness. And ancient Chakma spellbound is one kind of mantra. Chakma script using on wedding card. This is our wedding card. It is our dress, wearing dress. This is called khadi. Nameplate. We use our script now. This is the Ras Bono Bihar. Chakma script Ras Bono Bihar Rangamate. Chakma script using on nameplate. This is in primary school, Sorkari primary school in my location in Bundukbanga, Noadam Sorkari Prathamik Bidyalaya. This is Dasbin. We use our script in many places like wedding card, nameplate, in dustbin, etc. Example of Chakma script handwriting to digitization. This is my handwriting style. Now I am trying to computing system after hard working. Then I successfully digitize with helping Microsoft, Google, Keyman team, Apple, Unicode Consortium, etc. Easy Chakma keyboard layout. This is the first image, normal keyboard layout and shift keyboard layout. Comparison of Ribbing Uni and Notosen Chakma font. This is the Ribbing Uni which is made by me and Notosen Chakma made by Google. This shipping engine is also good, but I need to include the Fatkawa which is absent in Notosen Chakma font. Typography and modern technology made easy to write Chakma complex script. This is the handwriting complex script and Notosen Notepad. Notepad is support in Windows. Thank you for Windows. Thank you for listening and watching this video. Thank you everyone. Ju bekunore.